In the previous tutorial, I made a mistake by saying that option 3 can only be done with an offset and specially calculated dimensions. This assumption occurred to me when I incorrectly positioned the sweep profile, and as a result I got something like this. Recently, while analyzing the design created by Nehol, we had a discussion with Onshape, who offered a similar solution. Then I realized my mistake. Let's turn to the design. First, let's create a 3D line using the technique already used in the previous video. Let's create 2 sketches as before, only this time we will use the dimensions given in the drawing. Then let's combine both sketches into a 3D curve. Now we can create a 10 by 10 mm sweep profile. This can be done in any place of your choice. Just pay attention to the fact that the plane in which we draw it is strictly perpendicular to one of the sections of the curve and is in contact with it. Next, you can solve the construction in 2 ways. Either first rotate the 3D curve, obtaining a full frame along which to extrude the created profile, or first extrude the profile along the 3D curve and then rotate the resulting part, obtaining the full volume. I will show you both options. Thanks to Nehol for the creative approach in solving this exercise, Onshape for the discussion and suggestion to create this video, and to you for watching.